Hello everyone, welcome back to Day One Day. Today we're going to talk about exploring AI agents, what they are and their types, how they transform business and their advantages for challenges. Right. So AI agents are autonomous systems that precise, reason, achieve, and uh, goals revolutionizing industries. Let's do some deep dive. Right. So as we said, what are AI agents? AI agents are the software entities that operate independently, making decisions based on the environment. They use sensors to gather data, process it within algorithms, and act via actuators from chatbots to self-driving cars. So they mimic pretty much like a human, like a intelligence. Their autonomy and adaptability make them more powerful for autonomous and problem solving across sectors, right? So to simplify all the stuff in autonomous, so we do have one called a perceive, which is technically takes in inputs from APIs, databases, or user inputs, and they decide what to do. And it's technically, or you can call as an what actions to take and act to reach your goals or maximize my utility and also learns from my results. So to summarize all the stuff, think of them as a more digital employees who operate semi-independently. I hope you got it. Let's jump on our next bullet point, types of agents. The overall big picture, I think I consider this in six top high-level agents, and there are various types, and they serve various purpose based on specific certain needs. So the start with it's called a simple reflex agent, or pretty much they are suitable for simple tasks that do not require extensive training. For example, you can use simple reflex agent to reset a passwords by detecting a specific keywords in a user's conversation. They are simple, fast, but lack of memory. Right? So the second one is an model-based reflex agents. Their outcome and there is a before deciding. Right. So let's consider they are using for supporting a data like chess playing game or AI, which you used it, which online you might have played it. Using they go based on your past data to make strategic moves. And the third one is a goal-based, or you can say that is a rule-based sometimes, are more robust and reasoning capabilities, and they are much performing for complex tasks for natural language processing, or it can NLBs for robotic applications. Utility-based use a complex reasoning algorithms to help user maximizing their outcome. They decide, for example, uh, customer can use a utility-based agent to search for flight tickets, which might have done over a kayak, with the minimizing travel time and irrespective of the price. Okay. And learning agents, this is one of our interesting project which I worked from a couple of my ex-employers, where AI learns agents continuously based on your previous experience to improve its results. Right? Uh, this this improve over time, like a recommendation systems on Netflix. And example, you might have watched a movie and it might have recommending you based on your previous history, whether you like this kind of a movie sooner or all that stuff. So it adapts based on your user preference also, like previous you were watching more horror movies, but last few movies you are watching more comedy, it will adapt based on that. So that is where the most of our learning agents are used in real world applications, as I said, Netflix and all. The hierarchy agents they're combining pretty much more uh, like self-driving cars and or I can say that a more complex tasks which reacts to obstacles and planning a route. Let's say there's a lot of distributed design decision making you have to do it. That's where the hierarchical or multi-agents are used. So each type excels in a different context for simple automation and complex decisions. And also, we're going to talk about a few comparisons in which scenario it might be useful. So as you see here, AI agents, which are transforming with their autonomy and versatility from a reactive to a hybrid types, they address diverse needs from customer service to logistics. While they offer effectively and scalability, challenges like cost and ethics require careful management by leveraging the strengths and mitigating risk. So business can unlock AI full potential. So now, as I stated in this comparison metrics, so based on your use case scenario, and always I suggest is a pick right type of AI agent to solve your own problem. And the final takeaway I call out as an AI agents range from reactive machines to autonomous thinkers. So, but here I want you to visualize as there is a responsible AI, and when you're keeping your data also secure, make sure that you're aligned to that. And every scenario here required certain memory and goals and learning they have. The more powerful and human-like they might become in future state. All right. I hope I given you some high-level context, and future videos I'm going to talk about each and every type, and within coming back with an example of a code, so that you will understand case by case how this AI agents will be aligned towards your using either uh, LangChain with the LangGraph, or using an Crew AI, or I might be using AutoGen frameworks, and I'll show you a simple code so that you can easily understand and you can take that to an enterprise distributed level, right? And I'll see you in the next video. Meanwhile, let's please subscribe to Day One Dev.